Massachusetts, birthplace of American liberty. 250 years ago, on April 19, 1775, at dawn's early light, the first shot rang out, which started the battle for American liberty. For years, tension between Britain and its American colonies festered around taxation and representation. In 1769, 40 Lexington women gathered to spin linen and wool to show that they would no longer buy fabric imported by Britain.
In 1773, citizens of Lexington burned their tea in protest of British rule and taxes. On the evening of April 18, 1775, Paul Revere called upon a friend to make the agreed signal in the North Church steeple to show how the British regulars were going out of Boston.
Paul Revere said, if the British went out by water, we would show 2 lanterns in the North Church steeple, and if by land, 1 as a signal. For we were apprehensive it would be difficult to cross the Charles River or get over Boston Neck.
Revere did cross to Charlestown, where it was confirmed that the signal was seen. In town, he told them what was acting and went to get a horse from Deacon Larkin. In his words, I set off upon a very good horse. It was then about 11 o'clock and very pleasant. I learned almost every house till I got to Lexington. The regulars are out. To arms!
Sound the alarm. Stand your ground. Do not fire unless fired upon.
Lay down your arms. Disperse, you rebels. The battle is over. 8 colonists lay dead. The first shot has been fired, and the war for American independence begins.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That's really cool.
And with that battle began the American Revolution.
The Captain Harvey statue is a large bronze figure of a colonial farmer holding a musket, sculpted by artist Henry H. Gibson and unveiled on April 19, 1900, the 125th anniversary of the Battle of Lexington.
Give me your tired, your poor, your humbled masses yearning to breathe free. The wretched refuse of your teeming shores send these. The homeless tempest tossed to me. I left my lamp beside the golden door. Lexington erected America's first war memorial, honoring the brave men who fell during the battle, and in 2024 dedicated its first monument to the bold women of Lexington.
In the beauty of the day, a million darkened kitchens, 1,000 mil of spray, are touched with all the radiance that a sudden sun discloses. For the people hear us singing, red and roses, red and roses.